Hello everyone, welcome back to TSInfo Technologies YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will explain you about how to save Microsoft Forms responses to the Excel online spreadsheet by using Power Automate Flow. So let's get into this. First, open the Power Automate homepage. To open the Power Automate homepage in the browser, type make.powerautomate.com with your Microsoft credential. Then it will directly navigate to the Power Automate homepage. To create this flow, I need Microsoft Form and an Excel spreadsheet. So let me create the Microsoft Form first. In the Power Automate homepage, we can see the app launcher here. Click on the app launcher and click on explore all your apps link. Then it will open all the Microsoft 365 apps and then search for the Microsoft Forms. Here I will create a new Microsoft form, or else you can also use the existing Microsoft form. So click on plus new form. Give the title for this form. I have given it as task list. After that, add a columns. See here I have created a task list form with the columns names like task name, task start date, task end date, task status with the options here and task manager. Now go back to the Power Automate homepage. Here I have to create a Excel spreadsheet. Now I will create Excel spreadsheet in OneDrive, or else you can also create Excel spreadsheet in Excel and you can upload it to SharePoint documents or else OneDrive. You can directly create it from the Excel also. So I will create it from OneDrive. Click on OneDrive. In the OneDrive, click on Add New Excel Workbook. I will save this workbook as task list. It was saving to the documents, or else you can also change the location of this Excel workbook. Map the columns here that we have created in the Microsoft Forms. So task name, task start date, task end date, task status, task manager. Here we have mapped the columns from the Microsoft Forms that we have created. After this, select the column names and tap on Insert tab and click on Table. In the Create Table dialog box, select My Table has headers. Click on the box, check the box here for My Table has headers and select OK. Now you can see a table has been created for the values that we have created. Now I will create the Power Automate flow for this, how to save this Microsoft form responses to the Excel online. So click on Create. I will be selecting Automated Cloud Flow. In the Automated Cloud Flow, select the trigger when a new response is submitted and give the flow name here. Click on Create. Inside the trigger, select the form ID. We can choose it from the drop down. I will be selecting the task list that we have created. After that, add on one more action to get the response details from the Microsoft Forms. Get response details flow action. In the response details flow action, select task list as a form ID and response ID that we have to choose it from the dynamic content. So click on this to enter data from the previous step option and select list of notification response ID. After that, add one more action like add a row in Excel From Excel Online Business Connector, we can choose Add a row into a table flow action. Here we have to select the parameters from where the document is saved. The Excel file I have created, I have saved it in the OneDrive for Business. So I have taken OneDrive for Business and document library as OneDrive and select the file, task list, select the table, table 1, click on show all to display all the parameters. In the task name, we'll give it from the get response details. So we have to take all the parameters into the Excel from the get response details of Microsoft Forms. Click on dynamic content. In the dynamic content, we can see get response details, task name. So place it there and task start date in the same way. Take the task start date, task end date, take task end date from dynamic content and task status and task manager. Take task manager detail. Now this is the flow that I have created. Now I will save it and run it manually once to show you the. This is the flow I have created. Now I will save it and test it once. So click on save after creating the flow and click on test. I will go with the manual test flow and click on test. Now let me go back to the Microsoft Forms that we have created. In the Microsoft Forms, I will fill this form, task name, create a video, task start date, I will give it as today, 26. Task end date, we'll take it as tomorrow. And task status will be in progress. Task manager will be video hologram. Click on submit. Once the response is submitted in the micro, we can see this flow has been ran successfully and it has added a row into the table. So let's go to the Excel and check whether the rows has been added or not. So this is the Excel sheet. So this is the responses we have given there in the Microsoft Forms and see it has been updated here. This is how we can save Microsoft Forms responses to the Excel Online by using Power Automate flows. We can easily do it by using Power Automate flows. For more free video tutorials on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power BI and Power Automate, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.